Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce special Android Pie 9 system special for food Fiesta 2013 to 2016 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Let me open the box. It's very big box. Very big box. Okay. You can check head unit with good condition. Okay. Okay, you can check this screen, front panel and DVD player. Okay. There is harness and other. Let me introduce the honey set first. Okay, let me show. You can check this special harness for food Fiesta. This connector and the canvas box. You can check this canvas box for Fiesta. And this connector connects to our head unit, back of unit. Okay. And there are 3 connectors. Let me check. This one. Okay, you can check. This is Fiesta power cable. Okay, and this connector. Okay, and this connector. Okay, there is AUX input with this connector. This break in. This wire do not connect it. Do not need to connect it. And this connect back. Okay, it will come with small speaker. Okay, this is remote controller, and this 2 USB cable with the external microphone. This external microphone, this GPS antenna, and this screw. This is radio antenna. Okay. This is original USB. camera input. Setup. This is AUX input left and right, and this video input. Okay, this audio combo. This is subwoofer. Video out 1 and video out 2. This is AUX out left and right, front and rear. This connects our back head units. Okay, let me show. Head units. Okay, this is screw front panel. This drum agent. Okay, let me show it. You can check this screw panel, front panel. Just okay. You can check this front panel, and this there is SD card slot, and this back. There is a connector connected with cable, A/B connector, and this cable connect DVD player. Okay, this side you can check. Okay. Okay, this is DVD player. This DVD slot. Please take out this two screw before installing. Please take out the screw before installing. Okay. And then let me show the back. You can check this radio port, these connectors, this Wi-Fi antenna, and this fuse, this power, this GPS antenna. Okay, this DVD player. Okay, let me power with 12 voltage. Connect to the harness. Okay. Okay, it shows the power system. Start. Please take out this screw protector before using. It's hard to. Please take out. Let me show you. Can check this brightness. This darkness, and you can adjust. Back the home, you can check. It's fast response. Okay. This radio, you can search the radio station. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi and support Wi-Fi hotspots from your phone. But machine, you can check this MCU version. And CPU memory size. It's an Octa core, RAM 4 GB. This model is PX5 Octa core, rack chip, Android 9 system, Pi system. Okay, let me back the home. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.